Hello friends, today we discuss about MCQ in history. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Which statement is true about the Mughal painting? Battle scan, animal, bird and natural scan, portrait depicting all of the above. Right option is option number D, all of the above. The Mughal painting have played a landmark role in the history of Indian painting. All the above options are true. Are related to Mughal painting. These paintings were a unique blend of Indian, Persian and Islamic paintings. Ustad Mansur was a 17th century Mughal painter and court artist. He grew in acclaimed during the region of Jahangir. During that period, he excelled at depicting the painting based on nature, plants, birds and animals. So next question is the foundation of the Mughal painting was laid by options are Akbar, Humayun, Jahangir and Shah Jahan. Right option is option number B, Humayun. Humayun laid the foundation of Mughal painting during the years of his exile in Persia and Afghanistan. He made two distinguished Persian painters, Khwaja Abdudas Samad and Mir Shayad. It was from these artists that Humayun and his son Akbar took lessons in drawing, and evidence atelier was set up in the palace. So next question is the Mughal school of painting formed the spinal cord of the various schools of Indian miniature art. Which one of the following painting styles was not affected by the Mughal painting? Options are Pahari, Rajasthani, Khangra and Kaligata. Right option is option number D, Kaligata. The Mughal painting of Mughal school of painting from Mughal court spread to various regional court and gives rise in Pahari, Rajasthani and Kangra school of paintings, but Kalighat school of painting was indigenous and not affected by Mughal painting. So next question is who did illustrate Dastan-e-Amir Hamza? Options are Abdas Samad, Mansur, Mir Shayad Ali and Abdul Hassan. Right option is option number A, Abdus Samad. Most of the Mughals were renowned as great patron of art. The first endeavor was to complete the picture of the earliest Mughal illustrated manuscripts. The Dastan-e-Amir Hamza began in the period of Humayun. It took 15 years to finish under the supervision of Mir Syed Ali and Abdas Samad. More than 50 artists completed it. Next question is who among the following were Jahangiri paintings? Select the correct answer from the code given below. Abdas Samad, Abul Hassan, Aqua Riza and Mir Syed Ali. Right option is option number B, 2 and 3. Abdas Hamas and Aquariza. So next question is who among the following were Jahangiri paintings? Options are selected the correct answer from the code given below. Abdas Samad, Abul Hassan, Aquariza and Mir Syed Ali. Right option is option number B, 2 and 3. Abdul Hassan, Aquariza. Abdul Hassan, Ustad Mansur, Farooq Beg, Vishan Das, Aquariza and Muhammad Nadir, Muhammad Murad, Manohar Govardhan were the main artists of the Jahangir painting. Mir Syed Ali and Abdas Samad laid the foundation of the Mughal painting during the period of Jahangir. Next question is during whose regions did the Mughal painting flourish? Options are Aurangzeb, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir and Shah Jahan. Right option is option number C, Jahangir. So next question is Mughal painting reached its zenith under options are Jahangir, Humayun, Shah Jahan and Akbar. Right option is option number A, Jahangir. So next question is who among the following Mughal emperor shifted emphasis from illustrated manuscript to album and individual patron? Options are Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir and Shah Jahan. Right option is option number C, Jahangir. Jahangir particularly encouraged paintings depicting events of his own life, individual portrait and studies of birds birds, flower, and animals. Jahangir mainly patronized which of the following art options are paintings, art, architecture, sculpture, music. So right option is option number A, painting. So next question is the Pahari school, Rajput school and Mughal school and the Kangra schools represents different styles in the art of options are architecture, painting, dancing, music. Right option is option number B, painting. So next question, so the Pahari school, Rajput school, Mughal school and the Kangra school are different style of medieval paintings. The paintings in different states of northwestern Himalaya regions are said to be the hill paintings. It comprises the area of Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and area of Tehri and Garhwal of Uttarakhand. Next question is, which Mughal ruler established Karkhana for painting? Options are Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, and Shahjahan, and none of the above. Right option is option number B, Akbar. Akbar was very fond of painting, and during his regent, painting was organized as an imperial establishment or Karkhana called Tasveer Khana, where the painters worked. So next question is Kisangarh school is famous for options are temple art, painting, martial art, and sculpture. None of the above. Right option is option number B, paintings. Kangraghar Kisangarh school is famous for painting. It is a part of Rajasthan. Its style of painting is known for the beautiful depictions of a courtesans known as Bani Thani. Swant Singh, a great scholar and patron of art and learning, who